The Galaxy S26 series has taken an unexpected turn, and the changes are bigger than anyone imagined. Samsung isn't just tweaking its lineup, it's reshaping it completely. The once familiar base model and Plus variant are gone, replaced by a new contender, the Galaxy S26 Pro. The lineup now consists of the S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and S26 Ultra, a movie confirmed through Samsung's own One UI 8 firmware and GSMA database listings. This isn't just a rumor, it's official. The decision raises an immediate question. Is the Pro just a marketing label, or does it bring meaningful upgrades? Based on the latest leaks, the answer is encouraging. According to Galaxy Club, a source with an impeccable track record, the S26 Pro will feature a 4,300 mAh battery, up from 4,000 mAh in the S25 base model, while the S26 Edge jumps to 4,200 mAh. Ice Universe suggests a possible 4,400 mAh for the Edge. But either way, it's a notable boost considering these devices are also getting thinner. The Ultra, meanwhile, stays at 5,000 mAh due to airline regulations, which limit single-cell designs above 5,300 mAh. Hardware improvements don't stop at the battery. The S26 Ultra is reportedly moving from 45 watts to 60 watts charging. A 65-watt Samsung charger will still work, capping at 60 watts automatically. The Ultra also gets refinements to its already impressive camera setup. The HP2 main sensor now has a wider aperture. The 5x telephoto sees upgrades, and the 3x telephoto moves to a 12-megapixel sensor with better low-light performance. The S26 Edge isn't left out, jumping to a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera from the previous 12 megapixels, giving it two shared cameras with the Ultra. While it still lacks a dedicated telephoto lens, digital zoom up to 10x remains surprisingly capable. Design changes are also in play. The S26 Ultra will slim down from 8.2mm to the 7mm range, while becoming slightly taller and wider, yet lighter. The 6.9-inch display remains, but adopts COED polarizer technology for higher brightness and efficiency, combined with advanced anti-reflective glass for improved outdoor visibility. Inside, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy powers the series, with a boosted 4.74 GHz peak on the Ultra. Samsung is testing the Exynos 2600, but it's unlikely for the Ultra. The series will ship with One UI 8.5, which promises more noticeable UI and UX refinements compared to the Fold 7's update. Even outside of specs, Samsung's momentum is strong. The Fold 7 achieved a 50% year-over-year sales increase, with record-breaking pre-orders in the US, South Korea, India, and Europe. Meanwhile, S25 sales rose 38% in the US, while Apple's share slipped 11%, amid lackluster iPhone 16 excitement and broader market challenges. A bizarre twist also fueled headlines. Apple accidentally hosted a full 2-minute Galaxy Z Flip 7 promo video on its Chinese support page, briefly turning into Samsung's unintentional advertiser before pulling it down. As for pricing and availability, expect the S26 Pro to cost more than last year's base model, justified by its larger battery and potential camera improvements. The S26 Ultra, with its enhanced cameras, 60-watt charging, and slimmer design, will remain the flagship premium option. The series is expected to launch in early 2026, with the Ultra likely starting around $1,199, the Pro around $899, and the Edge slightly below that. Samsung's gamble to rebrand, refine, and slim down its lineup could mark one of its boldest moves in years.